What's going on, guys? So it's been a while since the last video. We've either been out of town, working, or the weather's been crap. A lot of it's been the weather's been crap. But I'm headed to Dylan's house now. We're gonna throw some fork seals on that bike because it needs them pretty bad. So see you guys when we get there. Oh, he's not even down here. Went to Sonic without me. Here's the victim. Looks like she's fresh out of fork oil because there's none on the ground. Before I start this.
Fuck off.
Language!
Oh yeah.
I gotta fix all that. I already told him you went to Sonic without me. Look at you slurping on that. What you got? Let's see it. Hold on, it's the focus. I can't read it until the camera focuses. Oh God, you did it! I almost cussed, dude. What? Why? I wanted to be big. Screw you.
I had to. But I don't know what I'm gonna do about tires and wheels because.
By the way, guys. Moto truck, Dylan Moto truck, everybody. You want to tell them about it, or are you going to make me do it?
2015 Toyota Tacoma. Yeah.
4-wheel drive, extended cab, 5-speed. Look at that factory looking light bar that he just put on there. And for the old Dodgerino, bought me some 34s. And gonna level the front, lift the rear an inch, and call that a day. And now he's gonna lift this thing. If it needs it. Look at the ground clearance.
Then I gotta find some wheels and tires though. That's the problem. Wheels and tires are gonna be.
Anyway, back to what we're doing. We're gonna put fork seals on this poor bike over here. We're gonna touch it.
This bike that's been sitting here for a month. The parts have been here for a month.
Look at this tusk rim.
I'm just lazy.
All right, let's get to work.
Oh yeah, Vice.
Yeah, he got a Vice now. He's got a workbench. I don't know if that's been in a.
I don't think it has. I think that's.
Yeah, moving on up.
Black Friday, and then get it for like Oh, can you order them for $80.90? Where?
eBay.
Like eBay? Oh.
Yeah.
Dude, I want one so bad. Cause I mean, they go off these batteries, don't they?
Yeah. Gonna need to sacrifice an extension as a punch, dude. Gonna have to do it. You ever notice this bike's so clean and like not corroded? It's nice.
My bike?
Yeah.
Well, it's an 08.
Yeah. Oh, check this out. He's got that cool Kickstarter on there. You haven't seen that in like a formal video yet.
Oh yeah.
A virgin shifter, not been used. Look how good that thing looks. He also got the ignition cover over here. Stator cover. Not ignition. Derp. Front wheels off. Now I just gotta loosen them triple clamps and pull them babies out.
Still not doing, is it? Should have brought one of the steel drivers. Should have just been done with it.
A little update. We've got one shock completely, well, not completely disassembled. Disassembled enough for seals. Trying to get this last seal drove all the way down. Get the clip back on it. Get it up. Fill it up. And then we start to do the other side.
That ought to go now. Huh?
Can we get all that again?
I'm not doing this again. Because I worked a lot of hours this week and I'm ready for bed. It's hot as shit.
So if it would focus, you all would see that it's like 146. Come on. Oh, don't. There we go. 146. What's wrong with you, man?
What?
So he did this side. It's good. Fresh seals. Fresh dust seal even. He's going to wait to the other side because, well, you know, that way he can make 2 messes and not just 1.
Well.
But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I might make this a video. I should make this a video.
Get off YouTube and go do something.
Just do it. He's still rubbing that Sonic in. Check these things out. I can't wait to have them on. Ah, yeah. Anyway, alrighty. I'm gonna put this camera down now and I'm gonna go home and try and hang another kayak from my ceiling because I like sketchy stuff.